Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today is Valentine's Day, so what better than to give a gift to your loved one on Valentine's Day than a Quest 20 Litre Classic Microwave. Keep watching to find out more. Okay, so this is the Valentine's gift this year. Last year it was the Russell Hobbs, this year it's going to be the Quest 20 Litre Classic Microwave. Now, I don't know if you're like me, I love technology, but when it comes to cooking food, technology can go do one. I much prefer a manual microwave. You know, the old school where you just twist a dial to whatever you want, stick it on the heat setting, bang, press a button, and you're off and running. Okay, let's have a quick run through the specs. So it's 700 watts, it's got 6 power levels, it's 20 litre capacity, and the measurements are 35 by 25 by 20, and that's in centimetres. If you want it in inches, look in the comments, they might be in there, I guess. But anyway, this is the Quest 20 Litre Microwave. Let's get out of the box and see what we get. Now, if you're probably wondering, much like I was to begin with, who are Quest? Never heard of them. I've heard of Kenwood, Samsung, all the others. Essentially, Quest are a UK company, based, I believe, in Liverpool. And they make household appliances, kettles, toasters, microwaves, you name it, they probably make one of it. And if you keep watching the channel, in which case actually click on the subscribe button down there and the bell icon and you'll be notified when there's new videos. So coming up soon, a kettle to review, a toaster, and maybe even a coffee maker. But anyway, let's have a look, see what we get in this box. This is a satin matte black, so it's not that really super glossy black, but it's not the matte black, which gets really dirty. It's like a satin matte. So there's a little bit of a reflection on it, but not too bad. So it isn't going to be a fingerprint magnet, hopefully. On the back here, we've got a power cable, which is, I'm reliably informed, about 1 metre long, and 13 amp plug fitted as standard. Now the model number of this, which I can see on the back, so I'll tell you what, if you're looking at ordering one of these on, I don't know, Amazon or TJ Hughes or wherever you go to get your appliances, this is item number 35860. Okay, so you've got quite a nice modern looking front sort of viewing area. Not the usual sort of rectangular block that you normally see, so this is quite stylish. Especially considering the price, which I haven't really gone into any depth at all yet. The price of this, normal retail price is somewhere in a region of about £79. Currently, some places like TJ Hughes are doing it for about £45. So for a kind of entry-level microwave, manual microwave, it's a great price, and it actually does look a lot nicer than the price would suggest, in my opinion. I don't know what you think. Let me know in the comments what you think. Do you think this is quite a nice looking modern microwave, or do you not like this kind of oval look? Let me know. So you've got your door release button. You've got a owner's manual, which is always nice to have. Full instruction manual. Tells you all your bits and pieces. Okay, so there's our standard issue plate, and you've got your rotation wheel thing in there. So let's stick that in. Now inside is all sort of like a bright white in colour, so it's nice, clean looking. And size wise, this is a largish plate, I would say, in my opinion. And that fits in there, no problems at all. And there's a little bit of room on the sides as well. I can still even close the door. Oh, did you hear that noise? What a great noise. That is how microwaves used to sound when I was young, which is actually quite a long time ago. But so, you've got manual release button, you've got your manual dials, so you've got the old ding button, I love that. So timer wise, you've got increments from 0 round to 30 minutes. Some people don't like it because you can't set exact times, but realistically, microwave food, whoever does the exact times on the thing, you always, oh yeah, 2 minutes, that'll do. So heat wise, you've got low power, you've got defrost, you've got medium low, you've got medium, medium high, and high. But if you're like me, this is going to be left on high all the time, regardless. So that is pretty much it. This has been the Quest 20 Litre Classic Microwave. I personally like it, but let me know what you think in the comments section below. If you want to get hold of one of these yourself, I'll put some links below. and I'll also put a link in for the Quest website so you can check out the other stuff they do, and you may be able to get yourself a nice little matching set, toaster, kettle, microwave, etc., and kit out your entire kitchen for a very reasonable amount of money. I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and we'll see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.